Page 24, Paper Airplane. At the top of the page, they're introducing a couple new notes. Higher up the keyboard, the top line on the treble clef is an F, way up here. And the note right above that is the G. Memorize these. See, we keep adding notes, so don't get behind on this. You got to know what all these notes are. If you're struggling with that still, go back please and start the book again and go through this again. Learn the names of the notes. There's also a note at the top, are you stepping or skipping? Well, we use stepping and skipping to help describe what's going on a little later on when things get a little more complicated. So if you can understand steps and skips now, it'll help. A step is simply going up or down to the next key. You're stepping. Stepping. Skipping is when there's one or more notes in between. So it's here, or here. Now on Paper Airplane, you're up here with the right hand, it's this C, and you're in this position, and you're simply up here in this 5-finger position. You're doing this little 5-finger scale thingy. And again, if you're not doing my C major scale, please do. Go to the video. You watch the video on how I approach scales, and then watch the video on C major scale, the beginner part of it, and learn the C major scale like it is in the video. Please, I explain the accents and the technique for doing that. It will help you in the pieces. So at the beginning of this, 4/4 time. So we're counting to 4 beats in a measure, and then we're counting quarter notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. In this fun, 1, 2. Now we're skipping here. Rest. And then the second line is similar to that, and then the last line, you're here, the whole thing is in this position. Whatever it is, I don't know what the notes are, you figure that out. The left hand doesn't play that on the last line, so you're here. In this position, so the hands are here. And that's okay. Now, I will tell you, I could have told you before, but I'm mean, so I didn't, so I'll tell you now. The left hand, since it doesn't play to the last line, you can actually leave the left hand on your lap and just put the right hand and play it. And then in the last measure, the second line, go ahead, at that point, put your left hand up. But have it there before you start that last line. That's what's important. So you don't have to have both hands on the keyboard for the whole piece like I've been preaching. It's just now leave it there on your lap until you need it and then put it up. They say prepare left hand. What they mean is get it in position. Now at the last line, there is pedal. I don't know why they've stuck pedal in, but they did. And you simply push the pedal down right after you play the notes at the beginning of the line, and you lift the pedal up with the hands at the end. And that's it. You're holding the pedal down for the whole line. I'm not showing it in the video, but you can do it on your own. I don't think the pedal adds anything to it. As far as I'm concerned, you can leave it out. But they put it in, you want to use it, go ahead. So let's just check it. I don't know that we need, let's go through. We need to practice at playing. Play as much as you can. So I'll give you 4 counts. So you're starting out with the right hand. There we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Well, there's a duet part at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. And you play what you just played. I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So take middle C and just pretend it goes up an octave. So your left hand is going to be here. Instead of here, it's here. And the right hand, instead of here, it's up here. You're up here. So play it up here. It'll sound better. And also, when you get to the last line, the first 4 measures of that line, the duet part doesn't have anything. We're resting. So you're by yourself. So what I'm going to do when we get to that part, I'm going to play your part with you an octave lower. I'm going to play it down here. And to the last measure, when you play that, then I'll play the duet part again because I got notes. So 4 counts. We'll just go to the same speed we did. I won't speed it up any. So go ahead and put your right hand where it goes, up here. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.